Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. And if you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're back out here on our full scope project in Lee Summit, Missouri. So again, this is where we are straightening not only the front foundation wall, but we are also straightening the back foundation wall. You can see we have our interior set up in place that was used to straighten the wall. We temporarily bolt 90-degree angle iron to the floor along with the wall. Use a 6x6 treated wood support post in conjunction with a 30-ton handheld hydraulic bottle jack. And we simply just extend the jacks to push the wall back to vertical. Now, the important thing on this, to be able to do the straightening with the process that we do have the initial excavation on the exterior of the house. We dig all the way down to the footing, which is what the foundation wall is setting on, just to relieve all that pressure, because it is so much easier to push against air than it is against earth. So a lot of the labor involved in being able to straighten a wall the way that King Piers does it is excavation on the outside. So once that's done, once we have our 6x6s in place and our bottle jacks, once the wall is vertical, we come in here with our 4-inch steel H-beam wall braces. You can see that we do not bolt anything from the bottom of the floor joist. You saw that when we started this project, how the existing I-beams were installed. We don't do that. We bolt everything from the side. It's more structurally sound, and it helps ensure that we don't have to come back. We've never had a wall begin to bow inward or outward after doing one of our wall straightening projects with our wall braces. So the bottom ends are also set upon the footing. So you saw the other day we saw cut small little holes here. The other spots where the existing I-beams were, we went ahead and used those spots, just cleaned them up a little bit. But once the bottom end of the brace is right on that footing, we just mortar it in with some high-strength concrete mortar, and it is set on that end. So once all of the wall bracing is done, once we finish tying them into the floor joists here, we'll get the 6x6s and everything removed, fill the holes back in on the floor. And really all that is left before this project is finished is doing the, we have 10 King Pier IIs we're going to be installing from the outside, and then just the crack repair. So next week we should be able to start putting the piers in, getting them encased in concrete by Tuesday or so, and then Wednesday or Thursday should be a cleanup day. And backfill, get that yard looking nice and neat. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can always find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.